Hello, my name is Irina Gorin, and I am a piano teacher and author of Piano Curriculum for Young Beginners, Tales of a Musical Journey, professor of piano pedagogy and piano performance at Chengdu University, and president of International Piano Competition for Young Artists, Carmel Clavier. In my 35 years of experience, some of my students became concert pianists and successful piano teachers. Many of them are avid piano lovers and piano players. But some pupils disliked piano lessons and practicing, and shortly after the beginning of their studies, just quit. I've been always curious why some of the students stick with the lessons and are able to achieve their dreams, and others are not, even though they had great natural abilities. And I was the teachers who taught them all and tried my very best for all and each of my students. My observations and multiple researches brought me to a conclusion. If parents are involved in the piano studies, the students will blossom and music will become the big part of their lives, no matter what profession they choose. Otherwise, if parents were not involved and did not cooperate with me, the children would eventually lose all the interest and quit piano lessons before acquiring any of the important skills or music appreciation. I would like to talk to you about how to become a successful, supportive, and happy piano parent. Why do the parents even need to be involved in their child's piano lessons? How much time and money needs to be invested in music education? Why do we not see as much progress as we expect? These and many more other questions are on the parents' mind. Unfortunately, there are not many researches or written works for parents about how to help children with piano lessons. I will try to do my best to answer some of these common questions and help you and your children to become successful.